Plausible conspiracy theories presented in 2020. Fifth, Shergarh's disappearance. In 1983, a group of armed men burst into the Ballymena stud in County Kildare, Ireland and kidnapped the prize-winning racehorse Shergarh. After loading him into a trailer, they drove off into the morning mist and the horse was never seen again. So what happened? Well, there are a number of theories, but only one likely one, that the IRA killed him in a botched ransom attempt. Fourth, lost cosmonauts. According to the story, Yuri Gagarin's successful 1961 trip into orbit was only one in a long line of Soviet space attempts and merely the first one that didn't end in the pilot's gruesome death. Worryingly, there may even be some evidence to this. In February 1961, 2 months before Yuri's flight, a listening station in Italy apparently recorded 2 Russian voices broadcasting the words, "Everything is satisfactory, we are orbiting the Earth from space." A few days later, they picked up another garbled transmission that sounded a whole lot like a scream of terror, followed by empty silence. 2 later recordings were also made, including one of 3 sobbing people saying, "Everything is satisfactory, we are orbiting the Earth." So what were they? Clever fakes? Evidence that Russia abandoned recoverable cosmonauts to a horrifying fate? We may never know. Third, Prisoner X. In 2010, an inmate at a maximum security Israeli jail hanged himself, triggering a flash flood of accusations, revelations, and bizarre conspiracy theories. Articles linking Prisoner X to Mossad, Hezbollah, and Australian intelligence surfaced, alongside accusations of Israeli foul play. At the time of writing, all we really know is that he was an Australian/Israeli called Ben Zajir and probably had links to intelligence operations. But that didn't stop Der Spiegel advancing a theory so lurid it may just be true. This conspiracy theory has it that Zajir was a former Mossad field agent who had been demoted to a desk job. Bored with his new life, Zajir set up a rogue operation to crack Hezbollah and win over his superiors. So far, so John le Carré. But what allegedly happened next is full-blown Hollywood. An agent Zajir recruited from Hezbollah turned double agent, reporting back to Lebanese intelligence. This in turn led to the arrest of several high-level Israeli spies in Arab nations, and a rush to find the mole at Mossad. All told, Zajir was allegedly responsible for the biggest information leak in Mossad's history, leading to a prison sentence so harsh he saw only one way out. Could such a pulpy story possibly be true? You decide. Second, CIA drug trafficking. The CIA doesn't exactly have the most level-headed history, so when talking about CIA conspiracy theories, you have to bear in mind there are literally hundreds of them. In the mid-90s, a 3-part newspaper series called Dark Alliance briefly made shockwaves throughout the media. Basically, reporter Gary Webb more or less accused the CIA of having connections with Nicaraguan drug dealers operating in the United States. In the resulting furore, Webb was smeared in the media, and his claims that the CIA was deliberately getting African Americans hooked on drugs dragged through the mud. First, Pearl Harbor. Did he? Didn't he? Basically, it would be impossible to cram all the proofs, counter-proofs, and general crackpottery into a single article entry, so I'm not even gonna try. But there's a good deal of non-conclusive evidence that the British sympathetic FDR may have known the Japanese were on the verge of launching an attack, and allowed it to happen, triggering America's entry into World War II. Think about it. If this is true, his decision changed the course of history. Without American firepower, the Western Front would have reached a stalemate at best, leaving the Russians to slap down Hitler single-handed. Without an advancing Allied army to keep them in check, the Soviets could have run riot across Europe, placing millions more people under Stalin's control. There would have been no A-bomb, no Operation Paperclip giving the US an edge in the space race. In short, the world as we know it would be completely unrecognizable. Now there's a scary thought. Thanks for watching.